Hello everyone, so I have already done my CTM routine, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and even applied my primer. As today I will show you all that how I do color correct of my uneven skin tone. As I do have discoloration around my mouth area, under both of my eyes and even at both the corner of my forehead. So at first I will take this LA Girl HD Pro Orange Concealer. Now by the help of this small flat brush, I will apply this orange corrector. As both of my mouth corner has the most discoloration, that's why I will apply there a little bit more. Now I will apply like dots to my other discoloration areas. Now by using the same brush, I will nicely blend this orange corrector. As my face is looking little funny right now due to the orange stain. So to hide this orange stain, I will take this LA Girl HD Pro Porcelain Concealer. Now by using that same brush, I will apply the concealer like dots over the orange stains. Now I will blend the concealer nicely to cover up the orange stains. Actually, you shouldn't try to apply your foundation just over this orange stain. Otherwise, this stain will be quite visible over your foundation. That's why to stop that from happening, you should apply concealer which matches with your skin tone over this orange corrector. As you can see how the concealer has helped to hidden the stain of orange corrector. Now to bake the concealer, I will use this RCMA loose powder. By using a dry beauty blender, I will apply over the concealer areas. Now I will wait for 7 minutes. Meanwhile, if you want, then you may even draw your eyebrows. After 7 minutes, I will take a fluffy brush and will dust off all the powder from my face. So here is my final look after color correcting my uneven skin tone, and my face is completely ready now for the foundation. So bye and see you next time.